Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a file to a shared Google Drive folder. So the first thing that you'll need to do is make sure to go to your drive.google.com in your preferred browser. Go and visit that website. If you're not logged in into an account, make sure to go and log in into an account. So what you'll need to do here is simply go on this list panel and make sure to go and click on shared with me. Once you go and do so, as you can see, you'll find here all the folders that are shared with you. All you need to do as an example is click on that folder that is shared with you. So here I just went to one of my other accounts and I shared the folder here with me. All I need to do is just double click this folder, and as you can see now shared with me in a test folder. All I need to do now is just upload the file that I want to this specific folder. I can just go here and open as example my folders. And let's say I want to upload a picture, so I'm going to this list panel, pictures, and I'll go here to whatever picture I have. And let's say I'm just going to upload this picture. So as you can see, it will just take a little bit of time. And as you can see, it will be uploaded to this shared folder. If you go to another user or anybody who shared with you, they should be able to see this picture as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.